Hey, what's up guys, I'm Matt. Today I'm bringing you a new video. Today we're going to be talking about my pet peeves in the fashion world. What are they? Are you committing any of them? Let's get into the video. Now, if you saw my Saturday upload, I appreciate you, first of all. If you haven't, you should have seen that. I said, oh, there's going to be a denim video coming out, denim guide. That got pushed till Thursday. There's still a lot of B-roll and stuff I need to shoot, so that's going to be pushed off till then. So because of that, I kind of randomly thought about doing this type of video. I was really considering a lot of different things. And when I really thought about it, I haven't ever talked about some pet peeves I have in the fashion world. I feel like some of them might be a surprise to some people, some might piss some people off. I feel like that's the point of some pet peeves video. And a lot of these videos are just me voicing my opinion on what I like and what I don't like. It's not saying that something is unfashionable just because I don't like it. It's just stuff that I wouldn't do and don't really plan on doing. And you know, if you see me committing any of them, please like point me out, call me out, because honestly I tend to not do it. So the first pet peeve that I have in the fashion world is mixing like competing brands. So mixing like a Supreme and Babe, mixing a Adidas and Nike. So mixing like two very competing brands against each other like that. Hell, even in the designer world, if you started to mix like a very prominent Gucci logo with like, I don't know, like Balenciaga's shoes, like it just frustrates me, honestly. And obviously everybody has their own opinions on this. I tend not to judge people too harshly if I can tell they're not really trying to be fashionable, if they're just going to the gym. I think if you're going to the gym, you're wearing Adidas and Nike, like really, like I don't care personally. I feel like it's just when you're outside of the gym, like you're really around town. Maybe it was time for you to go home and change out of that. I don't know why, but I really don't like seeing Nike socks with like Adidas shoes. It's just something for me and I have to get over. I don't do it. I love unbranded socks personally. So yeah, there's my number one pet peeve, which is competing brands. The second thing I have on my list is what I like to call clout outfit, or I guess hype beast outfits. Anything that kind of sits in the realm of hype and clout, or like the only reason you're wearing this is because it has a brand name behind it and you wouldn't wear it otherwise. Now obviously there's a lot of people that like might claim they love Gucci or they love Balenciaga. That's true, like none of us were wearing that like a few years ago. And if I'm being honest, like I don't like seeing people that just try to buy their style because it just looks tacky. I know that there definitely is people who love just seeing how much people spend on their outfits. And there's even whole segments of like, how much does your outfit cost? But in reality, it's like, even outfit that I'm wearing today, if you didn't know any better, there's not too much branding all over the place on the types of things I'm wearing. So I like brands like John Elliott and James Purse, because they're both two brands that really care more about the quality of their items rather than any hype behind it. And what you're paying for is really the quality or the wash or the fit, and you're not paying for any crazy brand name behind it. My third item are clearly foo-foo items. It's just items that you don't even have to do a double take. You can just look at them and be like, those are some fake Yeezys. And right away I'm like, I don't know why in my head it just gets turned off of everything. Kind of goes with like Supreme, Yeezys is usually what I see stuff with. Like if you're wearing stuff, like if you're on, let's just say like the rep sneakers stuff, and you're buying stuff that's like pretty one-to-one, like honestly, like I can't tell, so I can't judge. But it's when it's like super obvious, like off-white Yeezys, like they've never made them. You just look like a tack ball walking around. And it's something that I don't like personally. I don't support the fake market at all. If you're buying stuff from the sites, I don't have anything against you. It's mainly stuff when you're walking around with the Supreme off-white piece or off-white Yeezys, Supreme Yeezys, like stuff like that. It just looks tacky, and like all you literally care about is a brand, and it's a no-go for me. Fourth item on my list is knockoffs that are super expensive. Now everybody's gonna jump right here and be like, Matt,
you post minimal stuff all the time. That's a knockoff of Fear of God, a knockoff of Root.
And I kind of agree with you on that. I don't really like to buy too many things from minimal that are the knockoffs items. Even the snap zipper combos, even the snap zipper cargos, I ended up returning them just because I didn't really like how they fit. The material in hand felt good, but I just didn't really like them that much. I'm honestly happy I spent the money on that instead of like the Fear of God cargos. But for me personally, the more you get into fashion, the more you like certain stuff, the more you end up just wanting the higher quality items that come at a higher price but just have less of them. That's kind of the point I'm at with fashion, is kind of having less items but more quality items. So like a brand like Minimal could technically be classified under that. I would say a big one that I really don't like is Steve Madden. I feel like a lot of Steve Madden stuff is super expensive still. Like Steve Madden, Aldo, brands that kind of fall under that realm that literally have straight copies of more expensive stuff and still cost over $100. Like in my opinion, at that point you should have just gone back to number 3, bought stuff from China that are made from good rep makers, and just do it that way. Like I don't know. I just, something about Steve Madden just has always rubbed me the wrong way with how it runs business. Like, I don't get how you can have a designer name, but then, like, copy everything else. Like, that doesn't make sense as a designer. That's me. This is me. This is my pet peeves. This is me voicing my opinion right now. And the last thing is the bootcut bandit. I don't think I've seen any guy that I see and would be like, man, that guy looks so much better in bootcut bandit jeans than he would in just some skinny jeans. I'm not saying that everything needs to be skinny, but just like a slim fit, something nice tapered at the bottom, just not an ocean surrounding your foot, like something that looks presentable, looks clean, makes you look a little bit slimmer. I have big legs and I hate the excuse of like,
this skinny jeans was crushing that time.
I'm like, no, like if you buy ones that have spandex in them, like it's super comfy. Like to me, it just, I don't understand the obsession with straight jeans for men. It just, I don't know, it just isn't my cup of tea. I just hate when it's like literally looks like an ocean by your foot of jean. And I'd say that most men, if they actually went and tried a slim fit pair on even, or like just like a skinny fit from most places that like really are more of a slim cut than a skinny cut, I think that people would be surprised at what they actually like versus what they've been telling themselves for the past like 10 years. I just hate when men really like to put skinny jeans with women. Like there's a lot of dudes that honestly would look so much better in a skinnier fit denim than a looser fit. And if you're gonna go like, well, I'm more mobile in these pants, like I've never felt restricted with skinnier fit jeans. So not just me with all of this. Those are my pet peeves. I'd love to hear what your guys' pet peeves are in the comments below. Maybe it's something that I do that you guys don't like. It'd probably be funny to look at, honestly, because I know I probably do some stuff that some people wouldn't like. And that's okay, that's what fashion's for. Fashion is what's inside of you and what you're displaying outwards to the world. It's something that I've built this channel upon, is this like fashion inside of me and trying to bring it out into YouTube and kind of stuff that I haven't seen on YouTube yet. Kind of like this even like sense of style that I have that other people might not have, dealing with the body proportions that aren't ideal for the industry. But yeah, this has been the video. On Thursday should be the denim video. I want to promise it, but it's been so crazy at work right now. I hope I can update you guys on that soon, because a lot of great things happening there that directly are affecting my ability to make videos. And I'd even love to make a video on kind of what I'm going through at work and showing it on here. But like I end every single video here, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on Thursday's video.